In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your name servers in Hostinger, specifically focusing on their DNS servers. If you're just getting started with managing your website or need to update your domain's DNS records, understanding how to access and modify your name servers is crucial. So let's dive right in and guide you through this simple process step by step. First, to get started, you'll need to navigate to the Hostinger website and log into your account. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering hpanel.hostinger.com. Make sure to have your login credentials handy since you'll need them to access the dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by the Hostinger control panel, commonly referred to as hPanel. It's an intuitive and user-friendly interface, perfect for managing all aspects of your hosting account. The next thing you want to do is look for the domains option in the main menu. Clicking on this will take you to a list of all the domains you have currently registered under your account. Now locate the specific domain for which you wish to find or change the name server. You should see a Manage button next to each domain name. Click on Manage for your chosen domain, and this will bring up more specific settings related to that domain. You'll need to click on the section labeled DNS, the name servers. It's here where Hostinger allows you to view and manage your DNS settings. If this is the first time you're accessing this section, you'll likely see the default name server settings provided by Hostinger. If you're looking to change the name server, perhaps to connect your domain with a different hosting service, this is where you'll do it. You will find fields where you can type in the new name server information. Ensure that you have the correct details from your DNS provider, as incorrect entries can lead to your website becoming inaccessible. Once you've carefully entered the new name server addresses, review them to ensure accuracy. Even one wrong character can cause issues, so it's worth double checking this information before proceeding. Finally, after you're confident the new name servers you've inputted are accurate, find the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the page. Click on it to apply these changes. Keep in mind it may take some time, typically 24 to 48 hours, for DNS changes to propagate fully across the internet. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to finding and changing your name servers in Hostinger. Managing your DNS settings might seem a bit technical initially, but with practice it becomes straightforward. Thanks for following along, and good luck with managing your domain settings.